Good morning, children. Today we are learning the textual bits of our first lesson, that is white mice. Today in this class we are learning about what is subject and what is object. So what is subject here? Subject is the person or animal or thing which performs an action. The object is the person, animals or thing which receives the action. The subject usually comes before the verb in a sentence. The object usually comes after the verb. So let us see an example to understand what is subject and what is object. The sentence is as follows. He brought 2 large rasgullas. Means a boy bought rasgullas. Who bought? A man or a boy? He. So that he pronoun as a subject here. What did he get? He bought 2 large rasgullas. So that is object. In this way we'll find what is subject and what is object. So what is happening here? The subject is doing some work. He bought something. Who is receiving that action? Object. What he bought? 2 large rasgullas. Let us see the next one, next example. I found 2 white mice. I is the subject. 2 white mice is the object. Here, one more thing to notice in these sentences. In the first sentence, which we can see that the subject usually comes before the verb. Isn't it? Here you can see brought is verb. Before that we have the word he. So it comes before it. Next. In the second sentence, if you could see that I found. Past tense of find is found. So the subject is coming before your object. Whereas the object, if we are talking about, the object comes next to the verb. For example, here he bought 2 large rasgullas. I found 2 white mice. Immediately after the verb it is followed with an object. So let us do some exercise bits on the subject and object to understand it clearly. C bit. What we need to do is underline the subject and circle the object in these sentences. Here we have some of the sentences where we need to underline the subject and circle the object. First one. Manik returned the books yesterday. Who's the person doing the work here? Manik. So, underline it as it is the subject. What did he return? Followed with the verb, that is the books. The books are the object. So, circle it. Second one. The giraffes are eating leaves. What is subject? The giraffes is the subject. What they are eating? They are eating leaves. Leaves are the object. So circle it. Third one. The child is buying a muffin. Who is buying something? Child. The child. It's a subject, whereas muffin is an object. Circle that. Fourth one. The bird followed Tammy. Who followed? The bird. The bird is the subject. Followed whom? Tammy. Tammy is the object. Circle Tammy. Fifth one. Ethan brought the goats home. Who bought something? Ethan, the name of a person. So, underline it. And what's the object here? That is the goats. Circle it. Sixth one. We found the missing card. Who found? We. As we lost our card, we found it later. So that we write it as we found the missing card. We is the subject, whereas missing card is the object. So underline we and circle the missing card. Seventh one. I cannot hear Lata. I is the subject, whereas Lata is an object. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.